Hello, marvelous entrepreneurs. Today is our day 4 of 100 days training of affiliate marketing. Those new members who have joined recently join now. You can view all the previous 3 videos from the video section, and you can catch up with us because we have only did basic groundwork and little bit of foundation. So yesterday we saw like what are the certain essential things that we need to take care of before we plunge into affiliate marketing. And first and foremost one is you need to set your goals. I hope all the members who are undertaking this training has set their financial goals. Kindly type in your financial goal in the comment box so that I know um, how to exactly help you in achieving that goal. Plus, it will also help us in selecting the niche, because you might have selected one particular niche which may not be um, the apt one to if you have set a very high financial goal. So I need to have a clarity on all those things. So kindly type in your, this is the format which you have to do. First, financial goal. Second, the niche. Number 3 is what type of product uh, you want to um, market or you want to sell. So these 3 things has to be written there in the comments box. Kindly type in that. Moving on to day 4's lesson. See, we already saw what is affiliate marketing and what are the basic characteristics or traits needed, and what are the various types of affiliate marketing available. And can you, yes, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Yes. So I'll just rush through this because we have already seen this. This is for the new members who want to catch up with the training. You have to set a proper goal in terms of numbers. Exactly, like whether it is $1,000 or $2,000, $5,000, whatever is your financial target per month, you have to set a clear target. You have to read the 3 books mentioned in video number 1. I have got the PDF copy of all those 3 books. Please type in your name in the comment box so that I can give those books to you. And you need to do a market research, find out like in niche you are interested in doing affiliate marketing. Now, we have already discussed other things. Now moving on quickly to today's, we saw 3 types of affiliate marketing yesterday, and we also talked about how to become who is a super affiliate. We also mentioned that the aim of this in Marvelous Entrepreneurs Group is to become a super affiliate, not to become just an affiliate. So here are certain rules of affiliate marketing selection. Rule number 1 is you have to choose your niche, and please be careful while choosing your niche. You need to find a market that has got demand. A market that is hungry for one particular type of niche or product or service. So gather a list of products to promote, and then how you are going to pick that. Market only products that are high in demand, high in quality. See, there are a lot of products available. Yesterday, I told there are thousands and thousands of products and services available for affiliate marketing in the world. But we have to select a product that has got high demand, number one. Number two is choose a product which has got high quality. Number three, choose a product which is fairly priced. And again, please always research to see about its refund rates. The refund rate should be very low. Select a product which has the least refund rates, because the more number of refunds means people are not satisfied with that product. So always select a product which has got the least refund rates. I hope that is clear. If you have any queries, post your queries in the comment box. I will answer that. Now the third rule is project how much you can spend on advertising and how many sales to reach profit target, but not major advertising is not required. We are going to select certain products like which has got great demand and has got very good quality. The pricing is also very fair and there is huge potential for you to earn. So just to know about your product more or the service what you're offering more, collect some affiliate reviews and read some customer reviews and feedbacks from the internet world, because that will help you when you talk to someone. Now, so these are certain basic rules. Apart from those 4 rules, you have to look into the company status. Always select a company which has got a good image, a good name in the market, because that will be easy for you to sell that company's products or services. The product or service needs to be of good quality, because if you opt for something which has got low quality, then you will always get complaints from your affiliates. Then it will be difficult for you to sell or resell again. So always try to select a product that is of good quality. You kindly bear with that drilling sound. I'm helpless. Some drilling work is going on in the neighborhood. I'm sorry for that. Now the third is you have to see what is the commissions that you can earn. The commissions, there are a lot of products available right from 1% commission to 500%, 100% commission, 90%, 80%. You know, it's the margin is very high. So suppose, for example, if your aim is earning $1,000 per month, and if you opt a product which yields 1% commission, and suppose if it's a product that costs $20, then you will have to sell a larger quantity of that product to earn this 1,000. Whereas if you opt for a medium to high, always aim for about 20% to 50% commission. That is the ideal product for you to select. Now, always see whether that company whose product or service you are planning to do affiliate marketing gives you all the marketing materials with whatever is needed. You are not their employee. You are not going to work for them. You are not going to put effort for them. You are just going to help them sell it. So that company has to give all the marketing materials. So make sure that the company provides all those things. The next point that you needs to take care is there has to be a minimum cookie length of 30 days. I know, I hope you all know what a cookie is. For those people, if you are new to the term cookie, it is one, it is, for example, like when you select a product or a service from one company, you get a tracking number, tracking ID, and that is your identity with that company. And that tracking number or link, it has got a lifespan of certain days, and that varies from company to company. So ideally, a good company gives at least 30 days cookie length time. There are companies who give 365 days, and that is fantastic because you talk about this product today to your friend or someone, and even the friend decides to purchase it after 4 months or 6 months. Even then, like, you will have the benefit, because if that person is using your link, you will get the credit for that. So that is the purpose of. So always look for a company who provides a minimum key length of 30 days. Now, there are certain other factors like earnings per click, payout threshold. Some people, they have a minimum threshold, say like $100 or something like that. Only when you reach that limit, they will give you the payment. Deep linking capabilities and affiliate support, etc., etc. So these are all certain factors which you have to bear in your mind before you select a product or a service for doing affiliate marketing. I hope these things are clear. Tomorrow we will start introducing you to various companies. So today's homework is you have to go to the internet and do the research, keeping in mind all these factors. Come back and post your comments in the comment box so that I know that you are along with me in this training. Thank you. Stay marvelous. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment box. I will answer those questions in the coming days.